Okay, so for this same application, lab application, I just realized that I did not really talk too much about the MATLAB code. So let me append to the video that I just talked about, and on top of it, let's just discuss a couple of things about this specific MATLAB code too. So up to this point, all we do is basically to calculate the zeroth order and the first order, basically. So that's what we do. The second and the zeroth order. From this point on, as you might remember, we have to calculate the overlaps to come up with the coupling coefficients for both the 0 to 0 and to the 0 to the second order. So in Tech New here is calculating the 0 to 0. That's why it's taking the absolute of its own, whereas the 0 to 2 is calculated by Integ New 2. So for this, we are using the same Simpsons integration technique that we had employed before. And while doing that, we have to be careful, and we have to say that where the notch is starting along the z-axis and where it's ending. Okay, so in that region, it does that. And as I told you before, I'm just multiplying everything with 2 because it's going to be exactly the same thing from the other side. It's a symmetrical notch, so I don't need to calculate it 2 times. And everything is found in terms of 1/centimeters here. And then we are calculating the changes in the 0 to 0 or coupling, and also the 0 to second order. We're trying to understand the power there. So that was about it. Just a quick addition to the previous video. Hope to see you in the other videos.